I want to work for smart people. So I'm really surprised that that is so low, the changes to the manager. And then somebody else is already hitting on it. Patrick is already hitting on it about the higher base salary. That is also advice that I had received about, never do things for money, right? Don't move jobs for money. And I did that once in my career, completely regretted it. Never doing that again. So that is something that you should also, that I'm surprised is so high on the pull factors, because I think that doing that is kind of like, just not a good idea for your long-term growth, right? So I'm on board with your sentiment there, Patrick. But you're right. This is the financial services industry, so these might be people that are purely driven by money and nothing else, right? So yeah, maybe that's not a good idea, but maybe that speaks to the audience, right? So anybody else here kind of have these items call out to them? Real Slim Chadi says, I'm definitely subscribed since day one. Well, sorry about that then, Chadi. I don't know what's going on. Patrick sounds like he was having problems with or challenges with YouTube chat earlier, so maybe there's something going on there. Yeah, so sorry to see that, but yeah, I don't know what's going on. Prince says, in these cases, should one write in their resignation that they don't like the manager? Asking for a friend. That's funny, Prince. Should you write it? No. But can you share it privately with the people who need to know? Yes. That's how I would handle it. Where, you don't have to write things for people to know about them, right? And in many ways, your actions will speak for you, right? Like people can put 2 and 2 together. Hey, this new guy came in and 3 people left, right? People can see that, right?